Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this DevExpress tutorial we are going to look at calendar control in DevExpress. Now from toolbox I just select calendar control, and over my form 1, as you see that is nice calendar, and there is like a certain modification. We can check it first. Here we can not show footer but header. As you see that the header is gone, and today is like September 10. We can disappear also, and we can also show here like a week numbers, as you see that, and which week in a year. And we have a clear button. It's not very important. And here we have some view of our calendar. For example, Vista, you see the color is a little bit changed. We have classic and touch, something like this. You can check it, and fluent, as you see that is different, as like kind of the same color with our form. Let's run it and see. As you see that is something different. And now let's make this one default like before. And let's go add a button and text box maybe. Let's put it a simple button. Maybe text edit. Or maybe not text edit, date edit. If we have here date edit, it's better. First one will say increase day, increase day, and let's get icon for this one. Now we say that we will choose image for our increase day. Let's say maybe this one. Maybe this one is better. Let's name our controls first. Come here, calendar control. And just delete this one. That's for date edit. I just delete one. And for BTN we already changed it. Let's double click our increase day. What we are going to do each time when we click our increase day, the day it will be adding one by one it will be gone. Now today, since it is today date is 9th, yeah, 10, sorry, it will start from 10. First we have to get a 10, and then it will increase one by one whenever we click our increase day. Let's do it. First we need to declare integer for our days. Let's say int, and let's call it a day, and let's initial value, let's put 0. And then come here, first we say we have to get the date from get the day from our calendar control. Let's say calendar control date time and day. So now we got the day. It will be 10th, and then after this one we'll be saying calendar control date time, and then we have to say date time now, sorry, then add days. We'll be adding days, and then we pass through our day, and we will increase here one by one. So let's see how it is functioning. Maybe there's something wrong. So let me first check the day. Our day is 10. Uh, 1 minute. First, let's do like this. How it is functioning. Again, is like 10th. But this was January 2024. Let's go here from options. This initially we'll be choosing from 1 minute. Double click here, we see calendar control, date time. Now let's run it with September 10th. And as you see, we increase the day. Now October is going like this. And then we can make some modification here. Let's go from all properties. That's what we have here. We have here from appearance, maybe not appearance. Let's see. Calendar appearance. And they cell selected whenever this is now they cell is selected. We can change maybe some color of this one. Let's say back color. We can do like a light change, and the color I can do like 4 color. I can do maroon, and even I can make it bold. If sorry, from font I set it bold. True. As you see that the color is changed. Now you see. So we can go all properties. You can check here, like there are a lot of like options here. Even like a header, like a back color maybe. We can put this. Didn't function. Let's go again. Let's reset this one. As they're pressed. Anyway, so now when we increase our day, you want our like a data that also to be selected. And let's come here and let's do like this. We say data date and date time equal calendar control date time. Now let's run it. Now let's create it. As you see, that is also changing here also, because this also is kind of a data like kind of calendar, but you have to click here. It's like this is like this because there's a lot of details. You can check it by yourself, because I never check it since I try to move over our component and check it like whatever is possible to do it. But for you, you can do really, for example, his first day of week, that is Sunday, you can change this one. Highlight holidays, you can set it false or true, and a lot of option is possible here to do. Anyway guys, see you in next video.